Hey there everyone, what's up? This is Aram here, and today we are going to create the grid view of the blog. So last time in our previous video we have done with the list view of a blog. Here is the demo of what we have done last time, and today it's a list view. If you go here, it's a list view, and today we are going to work with our grid view. So this is the grid one. Today we are working with the grid view, and the grid view, as you guys can see, it has images and post title, author name, posted on, date, comments, likes, and read more button. And we have these popular posts and recent posts, categories, and tag cloud. All these things, even this pagination plus this footer, all these things are from the previous one. From the previous video, like from this project. Like it has this, you can see popular posts, recent posts, and categories, tag cloud, about the blog, sign up for newsletter, and the footer. So what we are going to do basically, or mainly, we are going to work with this one, with this latest post section, because we have already worked with this popular post section. So our main focus is this latest post, where we are going to add the images, post, and author name, and all these things. Okay, let's move on to the editor and start working. So this is the previous folder, blog rec, if means blog recording. Index.html was our previous blog code, or the page index.html. Today we are going to create grid.html, plus I would like to have a grid, or I want to style it with, I want to attach the main.css with this. Okay, so I'm going to attach the same style sheet with this. And you know that we are working with Bootstrap, so B for extension of Bootstrap I've installed already, so I'm using this one. And I should say the title is going to be grid view. And then I would like to add I would like to link it to my style sheet. So it is going to be style sheet href, and here is it has to say main.css. Then look at my css. Then we have to add this. Okay, let me tell you, the font awesome icon. If you are new here, you guys have to follow the instruction, mention your email address, and click on this button. Then they are going to send you the instructions or the process, so you guys can get the code. I'm using CDN. You guys can download it also, but I'm using CDN, so I'm just going to copy this, and I would like to paste it here in the head section. Here is my font awesome icon code. Okay, then after, the next thing is Google Fonts. I have used Ubuntu, so I'm going to use the same again here. Here is Ubuntu, and the styles I've got last time was this medium 500, then bold 700, and there was something else which was this 400. Okay, and I'm going to copy this link. I have pasted this link. In the main.css, we already have the font family, the root. In the root, I have defined the colors and colors and all the styles we are going to use, and we have some global styles also. If you guys haven't watched that video, please watch that, then you will understand all these things what we have done here. Okay, so it would be easy for you to understand about the things we have done in the previous video, and this is the series of the continuation of that video. Okay, in the continuation of that video. So now let's start coding. First of all, what I'm going to do, here from the index.html, because the header, if you guys let me close this one too, and yeah, the code for this blog is available here on codepen.io. This is my pen name, so you guys can get it from here. Now we need this navigation bar. Okay, so for this I'm not going to waste your time as well as mine. So what I'm going to do, here is index.html, here is a nav code. Get the code from codepen.io. okay, for you guys the code is there, and the nav, I just copy this one. I would like to paste this all nav here. Let me save it, and I would like to go I'm going to use my live browser server, and this is the live server. Let me show you. Okay, it is here, but the nav is showing, but the problem is that main.css is not attached well with this. So let me check if I've made any mistake in the CSS. So yeah, it is href. Okay, now let's go to the browser, and yes, it is attached now. Okay, so our navigation or the main nav is attached with not main nav, but the nav is here. We have copied the code from index, the previous video or the previous project, and we have pasted it here. Okay, now we are going to work with the in-between thing. That in-between thing is this latest post and all this popular post, recent post. We are going to copy it from the index page. Okay, so for this one, let's go back to the CSS editor, and let's start coding this section. So for this what I'm going to do, I am going to start it from here. So let's have a command. Just say grid body. Okay, div, assigning it a class is going to be container, then margin top and bottom going to be 3, margin top and bottom on small devices is going to be 5. Now within this division, let's have another div, assigning it a class. This class is going to be raw. Let's have another div, assigning it a class, and this class is going to be column 12, then column medium 6, then column large 8. I've explained all these things in the previous project. Please watch any previous project, you will understand it. Here I'm defining the breakpoints, that how it is going to be shown on different devices. Okay, then we are going to have a heading 2. So heading 2 is going to have a class. This class is going to be margin bottom 3, and then let's say latest post. Then I would like to go with another div, assigning it a class. This class is going to be raw. Again, I would like to go with another div, assigning it a class, and this class is going to be column 12, column large 6. Then we would like to go with another div, assigning it a class. This class is going to be card, because we are using the cards and Bootstrap cards. Okay, margin bottom 4. And in the last video I have explained you that all these classes we are getting from getbootstrap.com documentation. So if you are confused in anything, please consult the documentations. Okay, and all the documentation of Bootstrap you guys are going to get from getbootstrap.com. Okay, and then we have to go declare another div here. This div is going to have a class. This class is going to be known as a card body. Okay, within this we would like to go with an article element, and then within this article let's have a header assigning it a class, and this class is going to be margin bottom 2. Okay, and then we would like to have an image, and this image is going to have a source, and I do have the images in the images folder. All these images I've got from pexels.com. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, the source of the image, or the image, my image is over here with this name. Sorry, it is in the images folder. Cookies.jpg is my first image. I would like to use the class image fluid to keep the image responsive, and yes, alt is very necessary, very necessary for the SEO thing, so should go with this. Then I would like to go with heading 1 element, assigning it a class, and this class is going to be heading 4, and padding top is going to be 2. Then I would like to have a main title. This main title is already here in the, let me show you, main.css, and I have declared some global styles. So here the main title and this main title and the link it is going to get. So we are going to have the link also. Okay, so the main title is already there, and then within this let's have an anchor tag href. Right now I don't want to use anything, but if you guys have something, please go for it. Post title, and then the next thing is after this h1, let's go with another div, and it's a wrapping div. Okay, within this div let's use a href, and then let's have a class, and this class is going to be subtitle. Let me show you that I've already declared it here, subtitle, and this subtitle class is for the, let me show you from here, for this author name. Okay, and we have to add a subtitle, then the subtitle is going to close, and within this let's say author name, and this div is closed. Now we would like to go with another div, assigning it a class, and this class is going to be a small class, where we are going to say that this post was posted on. Okay, it was posted on, and now we have to add the time here, and the time is saying date, time, and I would like to go with 2020 October 10, and then we have to say that the time, and time is going to be 11:30, and let's close this div. Now within this let's mention the date, October 10, 2020 at 11. Yes, last time I've made a mistake in this. Please correct this one. I think I have used the current date here, so my apologies for this, and please correct this one. If you understood it, it's good. If you didn't, then it happens by mistake. Okay, then we have to go with something else, and that something else is going to be another div here, and this div is going to have a class. So this class is again going to be a small class. Then we have to go with a span element, and within this span element I would like to have a class here. So let's assign it a class. The class is going to be badge, and then badge cat or category badge, and I have already defined this badge cat here somewhere. It's a badge tag, and yep, here. Okay, so it is already in the style, in the global styles. So now what it is going to do, I'm going to tell you here. I'm declaring the font awesome icon here, and it in the first icon is going to be FESFE, thumbs up, and it is going to, let's see, okay, let's have an area hidden, and area hidden is going to be true here. Then we are going to write here, it's for the likes, so let's go with 20 likes, and let's go with another span element here. After this span element is going to have a class, and this class is for screen only, okay, for the screen readers, and now it is going to say likes, okay. And let me bring it here. Then after this this likes, let's go with another span element after this span, and the span is going to have a class, and this class is going to be a okay, so this class is going to be a again badge, and let's say badge category, and then we would like to go with our font awesome icon class, and this class is going to be FESFE comments, and then we have to say that the aria is going to be hidden here. Aria hidden is going to be true. Aria hidden is going to be true, and then we have to define the what it would be. It should be let's say 8 comments, and I have found a mistake here. Here is the mistake in the previous one. So it was, this is not FA rotate, and whatever it is written here, it is going to be 20 likes and 8 comments, okay. Then after this, let me be here in the header, and after the header let's have a P element. This P element is going with lorem ipsum paragraph, and then we would like to go with a link or a button. So for in the href, and href is not going to have anything here right now, but the class is going to be bdn, and it is saying main bdn, and then main bdn, and here it is going to say read more. Read more. Okay, let's save this, move on to the browser, and let's see what we have done so far. So here is the browser, and this is the post we have created, the first post. Okay, so here is the title, the author name, comments, paragraph, and the button. Now what we have to do next is, let's what we have to do next is, let's, for my convenience also, I would like to have a commented line here, and I want to copy this, and I'm going to copy this. This copy is going to start from this column, okay, from column 12, large 6, and all this after the row. I want to copy this. Now I would like to paste it. Okay, so I would like to paste it here. Here is the second post. Let's go back and let's see. Yep, let's change the image here. Okay, so the image is going to be here. The image is, I would like to go with another image, and let me go with another image, which is going to be photo1.jpg. Okay, and I think I should stop the recording for a few minutes because I think you guys are hearing the background music. So after that we will start again. Okay, so now let's copy the same thing here again and paste it here. So just already it was copied, I just pasted it here, and it is for the third one. So let me show you. Okay, so let's change the image only. So this image is going to be, here it is going to be photo2, not photo2. Okay, and okay, so here we have for 1, 2, and 3, and then let's have another copy of this thing. Let me paste it here, save it, and here we go. But let's change it. Okay, let's change the image also. So it is going to be photo 3. Okay, and here we go. Okay, we can't. Yeah, mistake in the name of the image. Okay, so we do have the 4 images. I think you guys understand that how we can make this. This is by using card and card body. Okay, now the next thing is this popular post and this recent post, categories, and all these things. So first of all, let me have these two more grids, sorry, here, and then we will do that. Okay, so here I am, and what I'm going to do, I just want to paste it here, and here I would like to change the image. This image is going to be let me check it from my images, that I would like to change it to the post 2, and then I would like to go with the main image, the next one. Here we are, and here I would like to go with the main image. So let me change it and let me say that main image. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I just want to paste, I just pasted, I created once the code, and here we go. Okay, so we have done with the grid. This is the main thing, the body section we have done. Now what we are going to do with this this pagination and all this this popular post and all these things, again guys, I have created a video. There is a video on this in the same channel. I'm going to link this project we have created last time. So I'm going to get all these things from the previous project and I'm going to paste it here. Okay guys, so we have done until this grid section. The main thing is covered here, and I'm sure that you guys understand that what we have done, just a card, and we have used the card here. And now what the next thing is, this pagination, this site section, the popular sites, post, recent post, categories, tag cloud, about the blog, sign up, newsletter, and all these things. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy and paste it from here to here. So how we can do this, because in the previous video we have done this from that one. Okay, this is the pagination section, and it is on the it is here on what's this, on codepen.io. okay, for this what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go back, and here the code is here. Okay, I'm getting it in front of you guys, so it would be easy for you to get the code, rest of the code from here. Okay, so here below somewhere, let me go down and let me be here. Where is that tag cloud, and here is the pagination somewhere. Just a minute, the recent posts, and here the pagination should be somewhere. Main body and the next, yep. So let me show you where the paginations are. Here from this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just getting the pagination, not only the pagination, all the code until footer from here. I'm getting it from here, and let me get the pagination. Sorry guys, I just want to explain you. So I have to get it um, until footer. So here is let me copy this. Okay, I just copied it from here in front of you guys, and then after here I would like to paste it. Let me paste it, save it. Moving on to the browser, here is a grid view, and here is the pagination. Okay, now what is next? This popular posts and the recent posts and all these things. Okay, so for all these things, let me go back to the code and I'll get it from there for you guys, in front of you guys. Okay, so paginations are done. I've seen something. Let me show you what is that. There are some divs which are not closed, and because of that we are going to have some problem. Okay, this is done here. Now what I'm thinking to do, just let me check my div here, this one, and I would like to actually the dog, my neighbor's dog, I don't know, this guy is too much disturbed nowadays. So because of him, if you guys are hearing the background of mine, then you guys can hear that he is in some sort of pain. So what I'm going to do here, I just want to add the second the side section here, and within the same row. Okay, so I just confirmed my row. Got it? Like this is one, this is for the it should be in the same row, and the row is, where is that? Here is this. Okay, within the same row. So just to save my time and yours time, and plus the reason I've told you the background of mine, I would like to copy the code from code pen again here, and here is the aside section. So I'm going to copy it from here until footer, and then I'm going to paste it there. And because we have done it, we have covered all these things in the previous video, I'm going to give the link in the description, plus in the iCard also, so you guys just watch that one and it would be easy to understand that what we have done last time. So that's why I just to save time, and yeah, time is actually more important. So I just want to save time. I copied it. I would like to paste it here. Let's see if I pasted it well or not. And where is the grid? Okay, and something wrong here. Yeah, okay, so this is what we have done. Okay guys, so you guys can see that we have copied and pasted that here, the previous code. And what I'm going to this is also responsive. Let me show you, and I'm going to add this this code on codepen.io, so you guys can see that it is nicely stacked on top of each other, and everything is stacked nicely. So you guys can see this one, it is the grid we have done. So here is the nav, the posts, and pagination, plus the categories, clouds, about, sign up, and the footer section. I hope that you guys will like this video. Get the code from codepen.io of this section also, and I'll see you in the next one. Hasta la vista. Ciao ciao.